Hello. Now we will discuss about a very interesting part as we have just discussed regarding how to initiate the serial communication, to send the character and to receive the character. This is a very interesting stuff. Students are aware about the basic idea about serial communication. They know there is a start bit, there is a stop bit, but if we give them a physical look of the character, how it sends and how it receives, actually how the flow will be there, students are very interested for that. So in this demonstration, the same code I'm using, the sending a character and receiving character back. So if I press the character R, it will be turn on the red LED over here. But the thing is that the above one option is added over here, in which you can see ARM UART is option added, in which the start bit, the data and stop bit are added over here. So whatever the character I am going to transmit will be captured and it will displayed over here. Okay, for example, if I press R, you can see the 52R is appearing over here. 52 is its hexadecimal code and R is the character, and its binary form is represented with respect to one start bit and one stop bit along with the binary representation. If you look on the ASCII table, the code of 52R is matching with the given parameter. Let's say we can check another code here. For example, if I press P, now it is changed to the 50 and yes, it is 50. If I change it to the, let's say, B, yes, now it's a 42. The blue LED is turned on and now you can see the blue LED 42 value is there in the ASCII table. Okay, so in this way a student may have a good feel how the character is transmitted and how the data format will be there for serial communication. Thank you so much.